Prepare, observe, move off, otherwise known as POM technique. Today I'm going to be showing you how to perform it and how you can apply it. This is what you have to do every time you're about to move off after you parked. Every time you come to stop and you're going to do parallel parking. How do you perform this? Number 1, clutch down. First gear, biting point. That's preparation. Number 2, observe. 6-point check. I'm parked on the left hand side, so I'm going to start my observation from the left shoulder. Number 1 is my left shoulder, that's my blind spot. Number 2 is my wing mirror. Number 3, top mirror. Number 4, windscreen. Number 5, right hand side mirror. And number 6 is my blind spot on my right hand side shoulder. And number 3, handbrake down, indication, and I move off. Like, save, and remember it. I'm a fully qualified driving instructor. Follow me for more.